There's a new sheriff in town. Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to test out another pest repellent product called Rodent Sheriff, as seen on TV. It's a concentrated spray bottle of mint oil, and it says it works on raccoons, rodents, cockroaches, and ants. So let's take this out of the box and see what it looks like. Here's the Rodent Sheriff. It's pretty simple. It's a spray bottle. Inside's a liquid, and that's made up of 2.7% peppermint oil, 1% sodium lauryl sulfate, and 97.2% inert ingredients. To test the Rodent Sheriff, I'm going to set up a feeding station in the barn. The first night, we won't use any product, just bait. We'll let the mice and chipmunks come and feed. Then the next night, we're going to spray it down, put the feed right in the middle, and see if it works. We're out here in the barn, and I set up a rodent buffet. Sunflower seeds on a board. We'll see what comes and feeds on these tonight. Then tomorrow, we'll spray the whole area and see if the Rodent Sheriff works as a repeller. Let's go set up the motion cameras. Well, it didn't take long for the mice and chipmunks to completely eat all the seeds. All that's left is shells. I'm going to clean these off. Now we're going to test out the Rodent Sheriff. I'm going to spray the outside 3 inches of the board all the way around, then put seed in the middle. You spray it till it's wet but not running off. Smells minty. That's a good amount. Now let's put seed in the middle. It smells really strongly of mint in here. Tonight we'll see how well the Rodent Sheriff works against mice and chipmunks. Well, that was interesting and not what I expected. Yesterday I sprayed this board with Rodent Sheriff and it didn't seem to keep the animals away at all. The chipmunks and mice came and ate the sunflower seeds. I'm going to give it one more chance. I'm going to completely saturate this board with Rodent Sheriff so that it's just soaking in the wood. See if we can add enough liquid and make it work. We'll just dump off the seed shells and then start spraying. We've misted it all. I'm going to dump actual liquid on the board. It's just flowing off like a river. We'll see if that works. I was hoping this would work, but even though we completely saturated the board with the Rodent Sheriff liquid, we added way more than is recommended. We dumped out so much it was flowing off, and the mice and chipmunks didn't seem to mind at all. They came and ate all the food. So I'm just going to chalk this up to another as seen on TV product that didn't quite meet expectations. Now in the past I've had better luck testing out pure peppermint oil. Maybe the Rodent Sheriff is just too diluted. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, please consider giving the button right there a little flip. I'm posting between 4 and 5 rodent trap videos a week, so if you want to see how to catch mice, rats, squirrels, chipmunks, moles, voles, and gophers, stay tuned.